Okay, once the controller is booted up and ready, or after the contestants are done and you're happy, you're going to hit menu up in the top left hand corner. You're going to go down to system configuration and then touch controller. Once it's in here, you need to check off maintenance mode and turn the key on the top of the controller to teach. I'll demonstrate that in just 1 second. So it's giving a message saying, hey, you
Key has to be facing
in remote mode, so you just go up there and change it to that. Once it's ready to go, it's going to allow you to reboot, and you click the restart button and the controller will cycle. It'll take it about 2 minutes to get to the point where we're picking up.
Click special mode, maintenance mode. So it's going to start up in the classic Pendant interface. So now we have to do our security mode change. So we're going to use system, security. I'm going to hit select. Use the down arrow. Safety mode. Select. Password is all 5s. It stops making anything. Enter. And then we're going to go external memory, folder. We're going to find the correct folder. There's only 2 robots, robot 1 and robot 2. We selected robot 2 because that's the robot we're connected to. We're going to go file, or we're going to go external memory again. Load, and then we're going to select CMOS. It's going to say, are you sure? And on the file name, you're going to hit yes. And then on the bottom, if it's working right, it will say, don't turn off the power, loading system data, don't turn off the power. It'll sit here and scroll until it's done. And then we'll pick back up then. It should take it about 2 minutes to do this. Okay, once it's done, it's going to come up and say select safety board flash reset. So we're going to go file, initialize, and we're going to scroll down to safety board flash reset. And then we're going to hit select, yes. And then the pendant's basically going to freeze. And then once that little bell comes up, that means it's pretty much done. So we're going to go back up to system. And then we're going to do CPU reset. And by default, it comes up in online mode. So we're going to hit select. Make sure we hit online mode again. And then reset. And it says execute CPU reset. You're going to hit yes. And then it'll reset and be ready for the next contestant.